Welcome to our tutorial on how to manually import your banking transactions into Docyt using a CSV file. First, access Docyt by logging in. Once you're in, navigate to the accounting view to get started. Now, select the business associated with your Docyt account. Go to the main menu. Look for the Banking and Reconciliation option. Hover over Banking Accounts, and then choose CSV Import. Choose the account where you want to upload the CSV file from the list provided. To upload your CSV file, click on Upload CSV. You can either choose the file from your computer or drag and drop it into the window. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be taken to a page where you can map the CSV columns. Make sure to fill out the fields on the right side correctly. After you've completed the mapping, click the Save button to finish the import process. And that's it. You successfully imported your banking transactions into Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.